coming again, serves it up, header, and there's a strong shot and in! My goodness! Uzviak puts Charlotte on the board. Off to Cambridge, they've been combining well in the second half. There's a nice pass, Cambridge turns the corner, and there's a goal! Charlotte strikes again! Jones, top of the area, left-footed shot, and it goes in! Derek Jones, 3-0 Charlotte.
And Derek Jones takes advantage of it. He's delighted. Match.
Twinerski, left-footed shot, it's in!
His left foot is a magical one. A wonderful ability of this Polish international.